Kids channel.
Hello kids and parents. Welcome to Innovative Kids channel. Join us to learn 100 fun action verbs with easy sentences. Let's go!
I am jumping over the fence.
I am jumping over the fence.
I am running in the park.
I am running in the park.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I am riding my bike to school.
I am riding my bike to school.
I am eating lunch.
I am eating lunch.
I am playing soccer.
I am playing soccer.
I am drawing pictures.
I am drawing pictures.
I am singing a song.
I am singing a song.
I am throwing the ball.
I am throwing the ball.
I am kicking the ball.
I am kicking the ball.
I am crawling on the floor.
I am crawling on the floor.
I am painting a picture.
I am painting a picture.
I am dancing at the party.
I am dancing at the party.
I am writing a letter.
I am writing a letter.
I am flying like a bird.
I am flying like a bird.
I am building a sandcastle.
I am building a sandcastle.
I am climbing a tree.
I am climbing a tree.
I am swimming in the pool.
I am swimming in the pool.
I am jumping on the trampoline.
I am jumping on the trampoline.
I am laughing with my friends.
I am laughing with my friends.
I am cooking dinner with Mom.
I am cooking dinner with Mom.
I am planting flowers in the garden.
I am planting flowers in the garden.
I am walking to the store.
I am walking to the store.
I am skipping down the street.
I am skipping down the street.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
I am picking flowers.
I am picking flowers.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am washing my hands.
I am washing my hands.
I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
I am hugging my teddy bear.
I am hugging my teddy bear.
I am writing in my diary.
I am writing in my diary.
I am decorating the room.
I am decorating the room.
I am feeding the birds.
I am feeding the birds.
I am baking cookies.
I am baking cookies.
I am holding a pencil.
I am holding a pencil.
I am eating an apple.
I am eating an apple.
I am running fast.
I am running fast.
I am reading a story.
I am reading a story.
I am counting to 10.
I am counting to 10.
I am jumping rope.
I am jumping rope.
I am spinning around.
I am spinning around.
I am hopping on one foot.
I am hopping on one foot.
I am stretching my arms.
I am stretching my arms.
I am tapping my feet.
I am tapping my feet.
I am snapping my fingers.
I am snapping my fingers.
I am clapping my hands.
I am clapping my hands.
I am shaking my head.
I am shaking my head.
I am waving goodbye.
I am waving goodbye.
I am learning new words.
I am learning new words.
I am exploring the park.
I am exploring the park.
I am looking at the sky.
I am looking at the sky.
I am smelling the flowers.
I am smelling the flowers.
I am tasting the cake.
I am tasting the cake.
I am touching the sand.
I am touching the sand.
I am feeling happy.
I am feeling happy.
I am finding my toy.
I am finding my toy.
I am tying my shoes.
I am tying my shoes.
I am catching a ball.
I am catching a ball.
I am making a sandwich.
I am making a sandwich.
I am sending a letter.
I am sending a letter.
I am riding a horse.
I am riding a horse.
I am jumping in puddles.
I am jumping in puddles.
I am drawing with crayons.
I am drawing with crayons.
I am whispering a secret.
I am whispering a secret.
I am playing the piano.
I am playing the piano.
I am singing a lullaby.
I am singing a lullaby.
I am whistling a tune.
I am whistling a tune.
I am drumming on the table.
I am drumming on the table.
I am kicking the leaves.
I am kicking the leaves.
I am shoveling snow.
I am shoveling snow.
I am popping bubbles.
I am popping bubbles.
I am stacking blocks.
I am stacking blocks.
I am fishing by the lake.
I am fishing by the lake. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.